Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix nothing to see here in Twitter X or X Twitter. So let's just get started. Firstly, what does this even mean is, so when you scroll your X Twitter, you are having this all, let's say, contents in your feed. So sometimes it may say there's nothing to see here, so we will be learning how you can fix that. So firstly, there are many ways you can fix. So firstly, just go to your web browser and just type down detector and go to this first link over there, and all the way down you can find X Twitter over there. Just go with it, and firstly just check if the let's say Twitter is having any problem with the servers. So right now it says user report indicates no current problem at Twitter, so it's everything all right. So there is no any status problem of Twitter. So if there is any status problem, it will send a message like user report indicate some problems at X Twitter. So you have to check this. So, and another option is just check your internet connection if everything is going well or not. That might be one problem too. So after doing all this, you might have this options like, let's say, feeds again in your Twitter X. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.